In Egypt, there are a lot of things that have different words to refer to them, but no matter which one you use, you will always find someone to judge or make fun of you. For instance, how do you refer to perfume in Egypt? You can say riha, which is scent or smell. But those who know some English or French will make fun of you and say that you should say something like perfume or parfum. Obviously, not the correct pronunciation of either word. But if you do pronounce them correctly and say perfume, for example, a lot of people will make fun of you and think you're either pretentious or that you don't belong to them. Fortunately, I decided to use the word عطر for perfume, which is the pure Arabic word for perfume, but unfortunately not so commonly used in everyday language anymore.